Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing this ghost eyeshadow tutorial I have on right now. Hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. And let's start the video. Today I am just going to be creating a Halloween look I did way back in 2017. It was originally inspired by Maddie's makeup on Instagram. It is a ghost eyeshadow look. I'm just going to be recreating that today. I'm just going to be starting off by priming my eyelids, and I am just using concealer to do that. I'm just going to be leaving the concealer wet so my eyeshadow has something to stick to. So for this look, I am going to be sticking to kind of a purple look, but I also want to add some orange, and I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette to create this look today. It has my purple and my oranges that I want to do, so let's get started. The first shade I am going to be going in with is this black right here. It is called Temptress, and I am just going to be taking that and applying it along the outer corner of my eye and dragging it across the crease of my eye. I'm starting with black because I want the crease of my eye to be really dark because I am going for more of a Halloween look. And I am just going to blend it a little bit above the crease just so that darkness shows. And I'm just going to do the same thing to my other eye. So next I'm going to be going in with this purple shade right here. It is a deep purple and the shade name is Not My Journey. And I'm just going to be using that with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to be blending out the black. I'm going to start by dragging it all along that black shade. And slowly blending out. And now I'm just going to do the same thing to my other eye. Next, I am going to be going in with this light purple shade right here. It is called Therapy Sesh. And I'm just going to be taking that on a mini blending brush. And I am going to be blending out this deep purple with that shade. I'm just going to be doing the same thing to this eye over here. Now I'm just going to be taking a fluffy blending brush with no product on it, be blending everything out so there's no harsh lines and everything is just blended together seamlessly. Now I'm just going to be starting on my lower lash line, and the first shade I'm going to be using is that black shade I originally went in with on a flat defining brush. And I'm just going to be taking that and dragging it all along my eye as close as I can to my lash line. And I said it earlier, but I do want to use some orange in this look, so I am going to be going into this shade right here called Feelin' Myself. And I'm just going to be blending out my lower lash line with that shadow. Okay, so now I'm going to be going back to my eyelid, and I am going to be going in with a flat packing brush, and I'm going to be taking this orange shimmer shadow right here. It is called Flawed and Odd, and I'm just going to be taking that and I'm just going to be putting that all on my eyelid. So now my eyeshadow is done, and now it's time to go ahead and go in and add the ghost. And to do that, I'm going to be using this Maybelline makeup. It is a face painting palette. And I'm just going to be going in with this white paint right here. And to add the eyes on the ghost, I'll be using the black. For painting the ghost, I am going to be using this Precise Artist brush. So this is going to be kind of tricky because I do have hooded eyes, so I want to make sure that I'm going to be drawing the line above the crease of my eye so it does not mess up the ghost. Now I'm going to be starting the body of the ghost. The eyes, I'm actually going to be using this dotting tool I have for my nails, but I'm going to be using it for the eyes and the mouth of the ghost. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. I have a ton more Halloween makeup tutorials coming your way. So don't forget to subscribe, and definitely make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video.